Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time seeing this video, please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my next video. Recap on House of Zwide. So a relationship kaSoga and Mampho is in the ICU. Mampho asks Soga if she wants to dump her. He must say it. Now uGuy ufuna ukudowngrade relationship yabo. Angazi ukuthi uzophinda amthembe uMampho na. Let's go to delivery. Now una uyazibuza ukuthi i-delivery to Kelechi iphumaphi. Okay, let's find out. Package iphuma kuKatlego. Okay, what a boyfriend. Now uMampho, she's going through angazi ukuthi i-heartbreak or ngizoyithini kodwa she's going through a lot. Now she explains to Maria what Soga wants. Now girl ucabanga ukuthi uSoga he's mistreating her so that she can dump him first. uMampho uyagowisha guys. uMampho uyagowisha jolo the dating. Now uNeo, he's regretting on messing ku-Una. Uyabona ukuthi uGuy, he is regretting. Ufila ungathi he can turn isikhathi uyele emuva then alungise izinto. Kodwa ke asekho isikhathi intasi. And Thato, he's a good friend for Una. He sees uri Neo wants ditaba about Una because he's been buying him beers. Shem uMampho yena akakhophi. Now Maria has to step in and console her daughter. Also told her ukuthi mele respect her Soga's boundaries. Kupalisa, it's giving the Zwide a headache. Una wants to talk with Bra Ike about Ria's tombstone. Kodwa uBra Ike yena akafuni Una asebenzise imali yakhe for Ria's tombstone. He just wants to honor her mother, that's all. Faith is blaming Nkosi about the mess he caused them. Les wants to make few calls ukuthi abone bayenza njani ngendaba yaPalesa cause wow. Uyabona ukuthi uBra Ike umisa umfazi wakhe shem. And nangu Maria interfering in Bra Ike's business. Hayi lo girl mele bamkhuze guys. uPalesa wafika ku-House of Zwide athola ukuthi bamreplaceile ngoNeo. Uyabona ukuthi ugirl usanelento yokuthi hayibo ngokushesha kanje bangireplace fast. So uMasanza was shocked ukubona uPalesa back to the House of Zwide. Una yena beyadinelwa. Uyabona ne-facial expression yakhe ukuthi akamfuni uPalesa back to the collective. Even if angasho ukuthi akamfuni but uyabona i-facial expression yakhe. Manje Soga ubeke Mampho kwenye test. Uyazi ukuthi uMampho ngeke respect ama-boundaries akhe. Will she? Asazi. Palesa yena ufuna ukubuyela back to House of Zwide collective. Even threatened them ukuthi yena ubaba wakhe unemali uzoyenza ukuthi izinto zenzeke. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment.